Ever heard of a plant that explodes? Meet jewelweed, nature's own firecracker. A touch triggers a blast, sending seeds flying. No, it's not science fiction, it's science fact. Jewelweed, also known as touch-me-not, is a marvel of survival tactics. Its seed pods literally burst open at the slightest touch, catapulting seeds up to 5 feet away. This explosive action ensures the plant's offspring are spread far and wide, increasing their chances of survival. But that's not all. Jewelweed also has medicinal properties. It's known to soothe skin irritations, from poison ivy to insect bites. So, next time you're on a nature walk, keep an eye out for jewelweed. It's a detonating display of nature's ingenuity. Remember, the world around us is full of wonders. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll always be surprised by what you discover.